开始了。
好，开始。这里有这个哈。This end with a steel wheel should be on the left. Yeah. Please note this should be in touch. This should be in touch with the low film. And yeah, this length should be the same with this length. 就这个朝这里的，朝向的。And then place the roller on the rack. And it's from the bottom of this bar. And then from this bar, on top of this bar, and on the bottom of this bar. And through this silver plate, be careful, it is hot there. And up through this bar. Okay. Yeah. And you can tape with the tape or manually hold it and then press this with the film motor to collect it, and then press auto run. 这就行了，对吧？ For the operation of the machine, first disconnect. Push in this part to disconnect the air hose. And first you should plug in the compressed air 0.6 to 0.8 megapascal compressed air. And then you connect in the electric power supply, the single phase electric power supply here. And then you turn on the power supply, and then you thread in the film roll. And for the film roll, please note for disassembling the film roll, first you loosen this by loosen this screw, loosen a little bit, and then you push this out. And push this out. So this side with this plate is always on the left side of the machine rack. On this side with this side, and insert this, and this should be completely inside this. And you can view you can view the steel plate. This steel plate here. Yeah, you can see here. Did you see? You can view this steel wheel from this hole. So the side with the steel wheel should always on the left. Please note this. And you insert this. Please note this should be completely in. This part should be in contact with this edge of the film roll. And then you insert this, and then put this roll on this, and then thread the film through here and here, from here and here, and then through here, and then through this seal head into the plate through the center of this, and then through this here like this, and then from here, and then please note this seal head should be clean. This seal head, the contact part with the mouth of the bucket should be cleaned with alcohol. With alcohol every 3 days. The compound part. And then the temperature for the sitting pen temperature should be set 160 degrees to 180 degrees. In this case, we set it as 175 degrees. Above, this is the performance temperature, and this is the set temperature. After the machine is powered on, we wait until the set temperature is equivalent to the performance temperature. And this is the set key, and for selecting the mode, I pull this, and then we can change the temperature, and then press again the set key for confirming the set. And this is the air compressor air compressor for the machine. That should be 0.6 to 0.8. The minimum pressure should be 0.6 megaparts. And now we can see these screens. We push any key to enter, and select English menu here. And for the menu, you can see there is the information. This is the automatic menu, automatic mode. This is in standby status, and this is the produced quantity. And we push reset to clear the quantity. And this is the displays the total quantity produced. And this is the mode, the current mode by counting. And this is the menu screen. Menu screen, this is the cylinder, the pop-up cylinder. And please note this machine does not have this cylinder. And this is the bottom mode cylinder. This is the bottom mode cylinder. When at the manual mode, we push this. And now let's look at the screens of the machine. And this is the manual mode, and when at the manual state, this pop-out cylinder for this machine we do not have, and this is the bottom mode cylinder, and when to select this bottom mode cylinder, and this is the black film model. And this is the coding. The coding, this machine does not have coding feature. And this is the seal cylinder. This is the seal cylinder. And this is the set. The seal time, it is fixed, but 2 seconds. If it does not seal well, you can increase the seal time. And this is the pop-up time, and this machine does not have pop-up feature, does not have this feature, so we can neglect this. And this is the rolling count. Rolling count is here. Count. We see this is the rolling count, and this is one count. From here to here is one count, and it measures the film traveling, and from here to here is one count. And this is the low delay time. So totally there are 3 modes for the film pulling. This is the cursor. Cursor means the iMark, registration mode, and for this machine it does not have this feature. And this is the count feature. A count feature is by counting this. This is from here to here is one click, or we call it one dot. And here we set is 12. You can see here 12 dot is okay for the machine, or 12 click is the length that is able to cover the diameter of the bucket. And this is count mode, and this is the delay mode. Also, we don't always use the count mode. The delay mode refers means the film collector, the delay time for stopping the rolling. This is the delay. So most often we use this count mode. And these are the input and output screens for knowing which signal is normal and which is not. And usually we don't have to look at this screen. And this is the information. Also, we don't need to look at this screen for the most time. It tells the seal mode information of this machine, so we don't have to look at this screen. And we push anywhere to return to the screen. So this is the automatic screen seal cylinder, and this is the alarm, and this is the output quantity, is produced quantity. Push reset to clear the setting. This is the quantity set. When we set this machine will stop when it reaches this set quantity. And this is the mode for counting the film traveled. Yes, we use the count mode. And here is the count mode we use, and we usually we don't use the delay mode. And for the using of the machine, you just and this is also include this glue is for preventing the looseness of the screws or the parts. So you can, because during the running of the machine, it may loosen, the screws may loosen, and that time you need to add some glues for fixing the screws in place. And you should always remember to clean this seal mold, the contact part with the bucket mouth, every 3 days. Clean it with alcohol with a wet a mop with alcohol, and you should. It is very easy to clean when the seal mold is still hot. And for setting the speed of this holder, bucket holder mold, you can adjust here, adjust this, and this the center piece. This piece is for fastening this setting. After the setting is done, this center piece is for fastening the piece, and usually we use this to adjust the speed of the pushing cylinder.